Hello guys, welcome to FASTCODER21 Medical Coding YouTube channel. The purpose of the channel is to help the people who are in need of medical coding reliable resources. If you are already subscribed to our channel, help your friends to subscribe. If you are visiting for the first time, then click on subscribe button to receive future updates in medical coding field. This channel is helpful for freshers, experienced coders, aspirants of APC certification and AHIMA certifications. If you have any other topics or concerns, please mention in the comment section. Please click on like button to encourage and motivate us. Please watch until the end to gain in-depth knowledge about ICD-10 CPT, HICPIC coding systems. As these Q&A sessions are very useful in live coding, medical coding interviews, CPC and CCS certification process. Guys, if you go to any interview or if you write any exams, we need to follow ICD-10 CPT, HICPIC books, as our sessions will assist you in the process of interviews or examinations, but these sessions are not an alternative to original interview or examination process. So today our topic is comparison of ICD-10 PCS 2022 and 2023 guidelines. So if you see the guidelines, there are no major changes in ICD-10 PCS in 2023. We have some numbering changes as well as like some wording changes. We have only one major change which we are going to learn now. See here, this first page is same in 2022 and 23. Nothing is changed. Here also same, only numbering is changed here. That is not a problem. If you see conventions, there is no change. So we no need to worry here. In conventions, here also there is no change. Here also no change. Only we have major change in detachment procedures. Root operations 22 and 23 both are same. Multiple procedure concept is also same in both. And biopsy procedures also same. Here also same. If you check biopsy followed by more definitive treatment, biopsy followed by more definitive treatment. There is no much change among 22 and 23 guidelines. So these all are same. We don't need to worry. Here also everything is same. Here also same. Here they have added one detachment procedure of extremities, new guideline. This procedure is self-explanatory basically. So here they have created three qualifiers: 1, 2, 3, high, mid, and low, lower arm and lower leg. Here also three qualifiers: head and foot. They have alphanumeric qualifiers. Thumb and finger only alpha numbers. So here we have small guidelines. Those are minute. So complete amputation through the carpometacarpal joint of the hand or through the tarsal metatarsal joint of the foot. Here too you can see B413 small change, just wording is changed here. The procedure is performed on a continuous section of a tubular body part. Here a single vascular procedure performed on a continuous section of arterial venous body part. The wording is changed here. If you see here, everything is same, nothing is changed significantly. So this is the approach section. Here also there are no changes. So only small change and even documented as a complication occurs. Only one word is added. So new technology section guidelines, there is no change as it is 22 and 20. Here selection of principal procedures, there are no changes here too. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Basically, as there are no changes, so we don't need to spend much time on this. I hope this session is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy coding, guys.